Are you a tea lover? Sipping on a warm cuppa can be pure bliss, right? But what if I told you that not all teas are created equal, and some could even harm your health? Today, we're diving headfirst into a world where seemingly innocent teas hide potential risks, lurking beneath their delightful aromas and enticing flavors. Prepare to uncover the shocking secrets behind teas that might just be putting your well-being in hot water. Grab your favorite mug and join us as we spill the tea on the darker side of the following brews. Number 1. Kava Kava Tea. Kava Kava is known for its relaxing effects and can even help with anxiety, menopause, and urinary tract infections. That sounds great and all, but this tea happens to contain compounds called cavalactones that have been linked to liver damage. Yeah, not the kind of side effect you were hoping for. And it doesn't stop there. Consuming Kava Kava tea may also bring on other risks like allergic reactions, skin rashes, and it can even make certain pre-existing conditions, like Parkinson's disease, worse. Plus, Kava Kava tea can mess with medications, especially ones used for treating anxiety and depression. Given all this, it's best to just stay clear of this tea. Number 2. Chaparral Tea. Chaparral tea is thought to have antibacterial, antiviral, and antiparasitic properties. But it might not be the best choice when it comes to your health. Chaparral contains nordohydroguaretic acid, a compound linked to liver toxicity and damage. Not cool, right? If you keep sipping on chaparral tea for a long time or in large amounts, it could up your chances of developing liver problems. Here's another thing to consider. Research shows that chaparral tea might not play nice with certain meds, like blood thinners, causing some gnarly interactions that you definitely want to avoid. Given these concerns, it is strongly recommended to avoid consuming chaparral tea and opt for safer herbal alternatives for promoting health and well-being. Number 3. Bitter Orange Tea. Bitter orange tea has been used for weight loss and as a digestive aid. But before you start sipping on it, it's important to know that there are some potential risks involved with this tea as well. Bitter orange contains a compound called synephrine, and it's not exactly a friend to your cardiovascular system. It can crank up your blood pressure and heart rate, possibly leading to serious heart issues. And if you're taking meds like certain blood pressure drugs or antidepressants, it might not mix well with them. Bitter orange tea has also been known to cause gastrointestinal issues like tummy discomfort and diarrhea. For these reasons, it's best to exercise caution and consult with a healthcare professional before consuming bitter orange tea, particularly if you have any underlying medical conditions or are taking any medications. Number 4. St. Johns Wort Tea. Since St. Johns Wort is believed to treat symptoms of depression, this tea might seem like the perfect sip for your relaxation routine, but it's actually a bit risky when it comes to your health. Here's the deal. St. Johns Wort has some compounds that can interact with certain medications, including antidepressants, birth control pills, and blood thinners. These meds can become less effective or cause harmful side effects. Yikes. And that's not all. If you have too much of this tea, it can mess you up in other ways, too. You might end up feeling all jittery, dizzy, or experience stomach problems. Not exactly peaceful vibes. That's why it's recommended to speak with a healthcare professional before consuming St. Johns Wort tea, or any other herbal supplements, to ensure that it is safe and appropriate for your individual health needs. Number 5. Sassafras Tea. This traditional herbal tea has been used for various medicinal purposes, such as treating cold and flu symptoms, as a blood purifier, and as a natural diuretic. While it may sound all cool and old-fashioned, it's important to know that sassafras contains a compound called safrole, which can be harmful to your health. As a matter of fact, safrole has been linked to liver damage and has even been classified as a potential carcinogen. It's best to be cautious and avoid drinking sassafras tea regularly or in large quantities. Number 6. Lemon-flavored tea. Lemon is often added to tea for its refreshing taste and potential health benefits. It's a rich source of vitamin C and antioxidants, which can support immune function and improve overall well-being. But not all lemon-flavored teas are made the same. Some commercially available lemon-flavored teas may contain artificial flavors, sweeteners, or additives that aren't so great for you. Those additives can lead to issues like allergic reactions or tummy troubles. So make sure to choose high-quality, naturally flavored teas and consume them in moderation. Number 7. Black tea. Due to its high antioxidant content, black tea is often touted for its potential health benefits. And when consumed in moderation, it is generally considered safe. However, if you happen to be sensitive to caffeine, it's important to be careful because excessive consumption of black tea can cause caffeine overdose, leading to headaches, heart palpitations, tremors, and insomnia. Additionally, some people might experience digestive issues or allergies, especially if they're sensitive to tannins. To avoid these possible risks, try to limit your black tea intake. Number 8. Detox teas. Let's talk about those detox teas people are all hyped up about. Believe it or not, they can actually be quite risky for your health, and I'll give you a few reasons why. First of all, most detox teas on the market contain ingredients that can have potent effects on the body. And if you've got any underlying health conditions or take certain medications, these ingredients can cause some serious issues or even interact with your meds in a bad way. Also, some of these detox teas have laxatives or diuretics in them. Now, when you go overboard or use them for too long, they can dehydrate you, mess up your electrolyte balance, and leave you lacking important nutrients. Moreover, the weight loss claims associated with detox teas are often unfounded, and relying on them for weight management can lead to unhealthy relationships with food and body image. Just forget about these. Number 9. Comfort tea. This herbal tea is believed to help with allergies, bronchitis, diarrhea, and even rheumatoid arthritis. But hold up. Before you start chugging comfort tea like there's no tomorrow, there's something you got to know. This tea is rather risky. It contains these things called pyrrolizidine alkaloids, which are basically plant toxins. When you consume comfort tea, these sneaky compounds can seriously mess with your liver cells and potentially cause sinusoidal obstruction syndrome, where the small blood vessels in your liver get blocked or damaged. This leads to problems like liver dysfunction and fluid buildup in the abdomen. And here's the kicker, the toxic effects of comfort can pile up over time. Even if you're just having a little bit here and there, it can still cause serious damage. Thank you for tuning in and learning about these potentially harmful teas. Your health is important to us, so be sure to make informed choices when it comes to your tea selection. If you found this information useful, please consider giving us a like and subscribing to our channel. By doing so, you'll stay updated with our daily content and won't miss out on valuable insights. Your support helps us continue to provide you with informative videos. Stay healthy and tea savvy.